yiero ma adundo. Mano tim tarik 27 mar dwe mokalo. Nitiere ywak. Kaka nawacho motelo, nitiere kweth ma keto sirikal tesre kata miluongo ni opposition. Moko kuom gikone winjo bed ni gidhi e doho. Gidhi gi mak bura ka giwacho ni yiero ne ok otimore e yo makare. Un kaka jo ket wang'gi, jo neno kaka yiero ne otimore. Inyalo wacho ni yiero ne otimore e yo machalo nade?
So depends kakirange. So on the ballot day, as far as IBC is concerned, ne gineno yiero no timre in free and fair way. However, there was a lot of bribery. Ineno kaka Malaba kuchande. Do ineno ka serikal miyo ji blanket, mattress kod pesa. To it was 2 or 3 days to election. Mano manisha nang ibe yani gon ngano. Akidhi neno dayo madala kucha do nigi mi gadai joma dayo ya to ama joma mine gibo wacho an ngamo mi askar magon kura. And you see like an independent person kuro kaka in miongo serikal. So you okani bed machineries go. No serikal kwa mfano mostly like joge no kado. And chief ntiere kacha negin DC negin gidio. So that was one of them, but ne ungi kwalo mar thringi ni chande mar team le good giching meto moni gi keto staffing of ballots manone kotemore yani kich joma no yombo alafu also by election normally ngaman giteko mimiga miwe nega yo nikech the way kumaitu election and in the place of election 10 alafu the other people okte kwa mfano next election wa watch joma no support kwa mfano the ODM candidate in Ugunja kwa joma no support ODM candidate mar Makasipolo kaka Boyd kwa mfano nen guanga nen kaluma no etijete or the kanyo alafu koro ngat kaluma en ngat more experience and he is also a player koro ngegi mo irango. So but now with the general election to record by election. So general election gemabo timore ni kila ngato mako manyo kare kila ngato mako gund mare en modwarango ka obo strike ka obende okingo, so it will be different. Koro Boyd bobedo kende, kina Moses Omondi bobedo kende, Nyamagarini bobedo kende, koro mano gima botimore. But also normally the most candidates must bedo bureau through by election makes them too popular and makes them strong migi network mutegno as joma biroga a general election.
Okay.
Yeah, so like ranga kaka MP mara madwagolo Bakasi South. No, of course no yere, but by election not to Rebu Bureau. So by election no mi ateko. So the former one no kaka no yombe no rang MP Makarwa is to Genya. Rather Ugenya. Yes. No bende no bill. Of course no yombo, but there's also another by election mano yombo ngamanentire Chris Karan. So since then no sebe dokoro mie tekoni no mi time or campaign concentration ya bobedo matek and many others that has come through. Look at Moses Kuria, no bureau through by election. Such kind of people has been strong. Even Raila Odinga, inge no year first time through. No year through by election. The time I not resign bureau, so mano miga jiteko. So by election year ma chokni opogreg general election. Yeah. So general election you cannot predict. You actually democracy is like a stray dog. Kioro book the duar. Iore mondo the omani mwanda onya biroga puoyo ama either amubi goguang. Yeah, so anything is possible.
Okay.
Yeah.